Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement suspension control module in a Chevrolet SS. So first off, go to the vehicle button and then go to the suspension control module tile. We'll then head to the flashing tab along the top. This shows the required files for this module to suit this vehicle. Make sure you have a battery maintainer fitted first, then once you do, go ahead and click the right button. This will begin downloading the required files and then start the flashing sequence. The flashing for these only takes about 10-15 seconds to do, so it is nice and quick. And that's it now, all completed. It will then perform its finalization flash routine, and then we'll have a 6-second countdown from there. After that 6 seconds, it's a couple more seconds while it finalizes, and then it's all completed, where we will have a pop-up indicating that the flash was successful. And there we have it. There's our pop-up. Press OK. We'll head to the learn functions and perform the VIN security link. This is going to program the vehicle VIN into this module. And then finally, we can do the suspension position sensor trim height. Just press go when ready and follow the prompts. After that, we can then go to DTCs and clear any pending faults. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.